Ready for your next trip? You need to hear this. Let's talk about getting through airport security in 2025. We all know that feeling of standing in line, getting our bags ready, hoping everything goes smoothly. The good news, the TSA is making big changes to make security faster, easier, and less stressful. These new technologies are rolling out across the country. Change can feel intimidating, but a little preparation will make you feel confident and ready. These updates give you more control and save you time. My goal is to walk you through these changes, one step at a time. We'll explore 5 new updates from automated and self-service screening lanes to digital IDs on your phone. Stay to the end. The number 5 will surprise you. Let's go. The first major change you will notice is the introduction of new automated screening lanes. I have seen these in action. They speed things up. Instead of a single file line, these lanes have several stations side by side. You and a few other travelers can prep at the same time. Take your time to empty pockets and load bins. The system processes people much faster when everyone knows how it works. Here's how you use them. Walk up to any available station. You'll see a stack of bins, larger than the old gray ones. They can now fit a standard carry-on suitcase. Place your carry-on inside a bin, not on the belt. Then start placing your other items, your jacket, liquids bag, any large electronics into another bin. This parallel process makes the system efficient and lets people move at their own pace. One of the best features is how flagged bags are handled. Each bin has a special tracking chip. If the scanner flags a bin, it's automatically diverted to a separate lane. A TSA officer reviews the flagged bin. Your bag is checked without stopping the flow. The next 2 changes work together to give you even more control over your screening experience. Self-service lanes and digital IDs. Imagine a self-checkout line at the grocery store, but for airport security. That is the basic idea behind the new self-service screening lanes, currently being tested in major airports like Las Vegas and Baltimore. In these lanes, you are in charge of the initial steps. This is where the third major change, digital ID, comes into play. Instead of fumbling for your physical driver's license or passport, you can now store a secure, official version of it in your smartphone's digital wallet. At the self-service console or even at a traditional checkpoint, you simply hold your phone near the scanner. It is a more convenient and secure way to move through the first part of the security process. When you tap your phone on the TSA reader, it will ask for your Face ID or Touch ID to confirm it is really you. Then, your phone will ask for your permission to share your information with the TSA. However, it is very important to remember one thing. You must still carry your physical ID with you. A TSA officer may ask to see it, and you need to be able to show it. Now let's talk about another piece of technology you will see more of in 2025, facial recognition. This might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it is becoming a common tool to make security checks faster and more accurate. This technology is different from the digital ID on your phone. Instead of scanning a document, a special camera scans your face. The system then compares the photo it just took with the official photo on file from your passport or other government-issued ID. Here is how it works when you encounter it at the security checkpoint. You will be directed to stand in a specific spot and look at a camera mounted on a screen. The camera will take your picture, and powerful software will instantly analyze your facial features. It compares this image to the one stored in the government's secure database linked to your travel documents. If it finds a match, you will be cleared to proceed to the next step of the screening process. The TSA has strict rules in place to protect your information. They have stated that for U.S. citizens, the photos taken at the checkpoint are not stored for more than 24 hours. They are used only for the purpose of identity verification at that moment. It is important to know that using facial recognition technology is currently optional. If you are not comfortable with having your picture taken, you can simply tell the TSA officer that you wish to opt out and request a manual ID check instead. The fifth and final major update could change the screening process more than any other. the new computed tomography, or CT scanners. You will recognize them immediately. They look quite different from the old X-ray machines. They are larger, more rounded, like a small submarine, like a UFO. These machines use the same technology as medical CT scanners to build highly detailed 3D images of your carry-on. That gives TSA officers a much clearer view, making it easier to spot prohibited items without opening every bag. Soon, you may be able to leave everything in your bag. No more pulling out your laptop, tablet, or 311 liquids bag. Imagine the time and hassle you'll save. However, and this is important for 2025, we are not quite there yet. Scanners are rolling out nationwide, but many aren't at full capability. So always arrive assuming you'll still need to remove large electronics and liquids. How do you know what to do when you see one? Pay attention to TSA officers' instructions and watch the travelers ahead of you. In some airports, you may be told you can leave approved liquids and electronics in your bag. In others, you may still be asked to take them out. Rules vary from airport to airport and from lane to lane. TSA aims to make the 311 rule a thing of the past. These scanners can screen larger quantities of liquids safely. But replacing thousands of older machines across hundreds of airports will take time. Now that we have covered the 5 major changes, let's walk through what a typical trip through airport security might look like in 2025. This will help you feel prepared and confident from start to finish. First, as you approach the security checkpoint, have your boarding pass ready. Have your ID ready. This could be your physical ID card or your new digital ID on your smartphone. Look for signs that direct you to the different types of lanes, such as standard lane, TSA pre-check lane, or the new self-service lanes. If you are unsure, a TSA agent will be there to point you in the right direction. Next, you will verify your identity. If you are in a lane with facial recognition, you will be asked to look at a camera for a quick photo. If you are using a digital ID, you will tap your phone on a reader. In a self-service lane, you will scan your own documents at a kiosk. Or, you can simply hand your physical ID and your boarding pass to a TSA officer. Remember, you can always opt for the manual, traditional check if you prefer. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be directed to the screening lanes to prepare your belongings for the X-ray scanner. This is where you will encounter the automated screening lanes. Find an open station and grab a few bins. Place your carry-on suitcase into one bin. In another, place your coat, shoes, belt, items from your pockets. Your large electronics like laptops and tablets may not need to go in a bin depending on the airport. Do not stack anything on top of them. Your 311 compliant liquids bag, old story. You may not need to place it in a bin. Once all your items are sorted and on the conveyor belt, you can proceed to the body scanner for your personal screening. After you have completed your personal screening, you can move to the end of the conveyor belt to collect your belongings. Once you have all your items, you can move to one of the nearby benches to put your shoes back on, repack your bag, if needed, and get ready to head to your gate. As we have seen, airport security in 2025 is evolving to become a more streamlined and less stressful experience. The 5 major changes are starting to roll out: automated lanes, self-service screening, digital IDs, facial recognition, and new CT scanners. While new technology can seem daunting, these systems are meant to be user-friendly. The most important thing you can do is arrive at the airport a little early, stay patient, and be observant. For travelers who may be nervous, especially our seniors, please remember that you are never alone in this process. TSA officers are there to help you. Do not hesitate to ask for assistance or clarification at any point. The most practical advice is to be prepared. Have your documents easily accessible. Pack your liquids in a clear, quart-sized bag, and be ready to remove large electronics from your carry-on just in case. A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth journey. Each of these innovations is a step toward a more seamless travel day for all of us. Ultimately, these changes are positive. They represent progress toward a smarter, faster, and more secure travel experience. Your journey should be about the wonderful people you will meet and the amazing places you will see, not about worrying over the security line. By understanding these new procedures, you can approach the airport with confidence and peace of mind. So pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore the world. If you like this type of content, I'm sure you will like this one also. Until next time, travel smart, spend less, and live free.